You swipe right. And then you remember, Saturday is Little League, and you promised you'd be there at noon. What do?
Welcome to Danny's Den. I'm Danny, lawyer, parent, and yes, unapologetic sports fan. Let's chat.
Quick snapshot of what we'll do together. Cut through the legal noise, show you safety moves for dating online and in person, give you short scripts to tell a co-parent, and protect the kids' rituals so the game day stays sacred. First, let's clear one thing up right away. Dating itself is not a crime. Relief, right? But what crosses the line? Stalking, harassment, showing up uninvited at an ex's work or home, sharing intimate photos without consent. Any of those can bring police, restraining orders, or other criminal consequences. Okay, social media and evidence. Short answer, your online life can be read by a judge. Treat it like it's public. Photos alone rarely rewrite custody, but context matters. A string of posts showing neglect, unsafe behavior, or a partner who is dangerous will be picked apart. So tighten things up. Privacy on, location off, and think twice before tagging kids or your new date. I know that sounds restrictive when you're excited about someone. So here are 3 simple rules you can live with. 1, no public conversations about custody or disputes. 2, don't post kids with a new partner until everyone's agreed. 3, save messages that matter for safety. Let me show you a bad message and then a better one. Contrast teaches. Bad. You're never seeing the kids with him again. Dangerous, emotional, and escalatory. Better. I wanted to let you know I'm seeing someone casually. This won't change our schedule. I'll still be at drop-offs on time. If they attend with me, I'll tell you ahead of time. Short, factual, focused on routine. That's much stronger if this ever becomes a written record. Now, a quick block on safety for meetups. Use separate contact info if you want an extra layer. Turn off real-time location sharing. First dates, public place, tell a friend, keep the first one short. These steps protect you and later show you exercise judgment. Photos and introductions. Hold off on posting your date with your kids. Even an innocent photo can spark a dispute. If a co-parent is likely to react, that's your signal. Wait. Think of family photos as the household archive, not social content. Let's talk game day rituals. Kids need predictability. If a new partner will be at a game, give a heads up. Who, when, and for how long. Offer an alternative, another trusted adult who can step in, so the other parent knows you've planned for continuity. If things feel tense at the ballpark, pick neutral behavior. Set apart, skip public displays of affection around the kids, and keep logistics off the field. Follow team or league visitor policies. Rules look good on paper and in court. Someone asked me once if their new partner could be the team chauffeur. I said, maybe, after a few trial runs, informal background checks, and clear expectations. Gradual changes are easier for kids. Small transitions beat big surprises. Documentation. A tiny checklist. Save messages related to safety. Keep a shared calendar for pickups and games. Note witnesses if interactions go sideways. Don't weaponize kids' private messages. Only share what's necessary for safety. Courts value stability. Show you're the study parent. A short, anonymous example. A client posted weekend photos, and the other parent used those images to question who the kids were around. The court didn't punish dating, but those posts opened unwanted questions. A few simple choices, delay the post, reduce captions, and tell the co-parent, would have avoided that curiosity. Before I hand you a final checklist, one practical point about emotional responses. Keep written communication brief and unemotional. Emotion is human, but in written messages it can be used against you. If things escalate, document and get help from mediation or an attorney. Music pick. Choose a warm R&B song that signals this is our normal. Something steady your child can connect to game day.
My pick this week is HER's Mellow Side. Think a slow, comforting track that feels like home. Use one song consistently to anchor the ritual.
Final safety first checklist you can use right now. 1. Tighten privacy settings and think public by default. 2. Keep early dates public and short. 3. Tell your co-parent calmly and briefly using the script we practiced. 4. Protect kids' rituals with advance notice and backup plans. 5. Document only what's necessary for safety and stability.
If this helped, please subscribe. One click keeps these practical tips coming. Then, if you have a specific legal issue, email me at danielle@thelegalassistantcenter.net to book a free 30-minute consultation. You can also leave a comment with topics you'd like covered. Let's chat.
Thanks for spending these minutes here. Protect the routine, protect the kids, and be deliberate about how you share your life online and in person. I'll be back next week with more on law, love, and whatever sports drama lands on our doorstep. Bye for now.